Hello everyone, welcome back to GHL Unlocked. Today I'm going to show you how to set up a calendar in GoHighLevel so you can book calls. So the first thing you want to do is make sure that you're logged into your account. Now before we create the booking page, we're going to connect the calendar where the appointment should appear. So to do that, head over to Settings on the left side panel, then scroll down and select Calendars. Then click Connections and scroll down and select Add New. Now you can connect any of these calendars: Google Calendar, Outlook Calendar, iCloud Calendar. Pick the one you want and just click Connect. Once the calendar has been connected, head back over to the Calendars tab here. Now we're going to create the booking page. Select Create Calendar, and you can select the calendar type you want: personal booking for one-on-one, round robin. I'm going to go with personal booking here. Enter the calendar name. Just going to name this something random. You can select the team member you want to be taking the meeting and the custom URL. You can change this. Now here you can select the meeting duration, how long you want your meetings to last. I'm going to leave it at 30 minutes. Then click Confirm. Now close this and click Edit Calendar here to make additional changes. In the basic details here, you can add a logo to your calendar and add a description. In staff and location here, you can choose the meeting location. It's set to custom right now, but you can select Zoom, Google Meet. If you do this, make sure that these apps are already connected to this GoHighLevel account, otherwise they won't work. For instance, like this, the user has not connected your Zoom account yet, so it won't work. Once you've set everything up here, in availability, you can select the days you are available for booking. If you connected your calendar to this, it should already be synced with it. Then you can head over to booking rules, meeting interval. This controls how often booking slots are shown. I'm going to leave it at 30 minutes. Then the meeting duration, we saw this before. Then the minimum scheduling notice. This requires users to book meetings at least this much time in advance. So if you want them to book 2 days in advance, you would enter 2 here. Or if you want it just hours or minutes or weeks or months, you can make the changes. Then the date range, this is to set how far into the future bookings can be made from today's date. Now this pre-buffer time is the time to block before each meeting, so you have time to get ready. And the post buffer is allowing you for extra time to wrap up. You can also set the maximum number of bookings you get each day and the maximum bookings per slot. I think this is good at 1, unless you want your bookings to overlap. And this look busy toggle here, if you click on it, what it basically does is hide a percentage of your available appointment slots on the booking widget so that you appear busier and you look to be in higher demand. I'm just going to leave this off. Once you're done with all this, you can head over to advanced settings if you have any other settings you want to change here, but everything here is good. Then click Save Changes. Once the calendar has been saved successfully, head back. Now click on Share Calendar and copy this link, the scheduling link. Once you copy this link, you can paste it anywhere in Gmail, your website, basically anywhere you want. And that's it. That's how to set up a calendar in GoHighLevel so you can book calls. If you have any questions, make sure to leave them in the comments below. If this video helped you out, make sure to leave a like and subscribe so you don't miss out on more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.